Okay, class. Today we are going to work on the CSV file. That is a comma separated file. Python, they are providing the modules, CSV modules. We have a pandas also. So if we want to store the data in the form of CSV, comma separated values, mostly the CSV files are being opened into the Excel sheet. So if you are going to store the data in the Excel sheet, or you want to store the data in such a format that after each data, the comma will automatically add to your file. So we have to use the CSV file. Now look here, I'm going to share the screen how we will work on the CSV file. What functions it has, I will show you here. So first of all, I have to open the idle of the screen. Here once more, I will create one folder and I will write here CSV project. Whatever the file it will create, it will be in one place. Now here I will go and I will open the file, a new file. I will make it save to that folder CSV and will write here source code. First of all, I have to import the module that name is just CSV. CSV, it has a two module. First one is a what? CSV writer. And it has a CSV reader. So this module, this function is used to read the data from CSV file in the list format. Now CSV writer also, it allows us to create or write the data in the CSV file. It further has two functions. The first one is a write row and another one is a write rows. So look here, the write row means it allows us to write only one row at a time. And if we have a more than one row and we want to store all together, then we have a write rows. So come here, we will see how we will write the programs. For example, here I have taken here name is equal to input. Enter the student name. And I have taken here class is equal to input. Enter the class of a student. Class is a keyword, so it is showing, so I will use only this one class. Now stream is equal to input. Enter the stream of the student. In the bracket you may give here bio, comma math, comma commerce. After that, what we have to do, we have to work with open. So we will write here with open. Which CSV file we have to write the data? I have to write at the record.csv file. And we have to work in the append mode. So here we will write as file. Because CSV file must be closed when the writing operation is performed. That's why we are using with open. Already I told you, if you are working with open, as you will come out of the indent of the with open, the file will automatically closed. Either we are closing or not, the compiler will closed. Clear? So that is the one advantage with open. If we do not need to close the file, the compiler will automatically close the file. So that's why we have to always work with open. In the board examination also, they are giving only such type of question based on with open. So look here, the syntax once again I will explain here. We have to use the with keyword, then the open function, we have to write the file name, comma, the modes as a file. Now the file is here as a file pointer. Whatever works we have to do, we will do by that. So now look here. Then after, we have to create a CSV writer module. So pointer. So I have written here CW, and then I will write CSV.writer. In that, I will use the file. This line, it may use all the function of the writer. It may give the one instance of the writer by which we will write the data into the file, and which file, that is a CSV file, that file pointer names we have passed here. Still now you have seen whenever we are writing the data into the file, we are using the file pointer. But here in the CSV, we have to create one more instance of the writer. We have to create an object. Yeah, we have to create a link of writer. By that we can write the data. And then I will write here cw.write_row. In that, we have to write the data in the form of list. So I will make list name. First I will write name, then I will write class, then I will write string. List close, bracket close. Now we will give message print data written successfully. Make it save, run it. Enter the name. I have written the Vikas, class 12th, stream bio. No, I have taken math. Data written successfully. Come to the source file folder. We will see here it has created the record file, that is in the CSV file. Look here. Now I will open it. Look here, it is written here in the Excel sheet, because 12th math. One more thing you have to see carefully that I will show you. You have to remember, if the Excel file is still open and we have run the program, so it may create the error. Name I have given here again, Ratan, class 4th math. Look here, the permission denied because the CSV file still user is using here. I have opened the CSV file. That's why whenever we will run the module that work on the CSV file, so the CSV file must be closed. Then after you may run, it will not create any problem. Ratan, class is 4th, section is math. Now data written successfully. Once again run. Name is Sanjeev, class is 12th, stream is math. Again run it. Name is Archit Agarwal, class 12, section is math. Now look here, how many data are stored in the file. Name Ratan, Sanjeev, Archit Agarwal. If you will give the space, it will show all the data in the proper format. But do you have noticed that it always creating one blank lines? It always creating as a what? Blank line. Now, so look here, it's CSV file by default, it creating one line extra. So to stop that, whenever we will open the CSV file, then we will write here comma. There is a one more parameter, that is a new line, is equal to single quotes open, single quotes close. You can't give any extra space here. If you are giving extra space, it may create a problem. So here we have to write new line is equal to single quotes open, single quotes closed. Now if we will run and whatever the data we will store, it may not change the line. Here I have given iOS class 12 stream is a math. Oh, I have still opened the CSV file. Look here. And again, iOS 12th math. Data written successfully. Come here. We will write some more data. I am writing like a Roman LKG. There is no stream, so we can write here data written successfully. Now again come to that folder, open it. See here now the line is not being changes. Means extra line is not leaving. Understand? So we are going to see how to write the table in Excel sheets. Come here. What we have to do? Already it is there. Instead of this all, we have to take the number input. I will tell to user num is equal to int in the bracket input, and I will ask please enter the number. Then I will write here with open. I will make here table.csv file, and I have to work with the append mode, and I don't want to leave any extra line. So new line is equal to this, and then I will write as file. Here what we have to do, I have to create one object of CSV writer. So we will write here CSV writer. Yeah, we can write here. Source file change कर दिया क्या मैंने? Wait, I will make in another file. Data written successfully. I will open another file, and here I will do import CSV, and then I will take here num is equal to int in the bracket input, enter the number, then I have to write here with open table.csv in the append mode, comma, I don't want to leave the lines, so here the file. Then here I have to create a equal to CSV writer. In that I will pass the file, okay, and the table.csv. Yeah, 12. Oh, only writer we have to use, sorry. Now it is working. Clear? Then here we have to write for I in a range. Start from where? From 1, go to the 10. And in that we have to do here CW dot write rows. Write rows in that bracket. First I have to show the value of num, comma. I have to show here multiplication sign, comma. I have to show the value of I. Then again we have to show the equal sign, and then we have to show the output num into I. And we have to close this. Now we have to come out, we have to close it all, and you will see already the file is saved. Now run it. It will ask, I have given, I want to know the table of 36. Now come to the table CSV file, open the table one, You will get the, look here. Oh, why it is written here? As a file CSV file written here. W. Import CSV num is correct with table.csv w is equal to this as a file. Okay. 67. Let's come to that one folder. Look here. It show the table of 61. Understand? Now you can go with the append mode also. I want table of 90. It will show. Then I want to invalid syntax. What is that? I want table of 67 हो गया. I want table of 56. Okay. I want table of 89. And now look here in the Excel sheet, it has created the table of all things. Some problem is creating the compiler here. Okay, so I want to open. We have where we have saved that file. Okay, no, once again we'll see. I think some mismatch we have done in the saving. That's why you have to also be careful. I'm going to save this in the folder of desktop CSV project, and I will write here table .py. Here again, import CSV. And before going to do this, I will delete the table CSV file here. Permanently delete. Now, I have write it here, import CSV. First, I will include this, and then I have taken the input num is equal to, I enter in the bracket input, enter the number, then with open, I have to write here table.csv file, and then append mode and comma new line is equal to this as a file, then cw is equal to csv module dot writer functions. I have to create here with the help of file, and then for I in a range start from 1 to go to the 10, and then you have to write here cw dot write rows, write row, not rows, write row, and in the bracket in the form of list, first you show the value of num, then into I we have to show the into sign, then we have to show the value of I, then we have to show the equal sign, then we have to show the result of num into I, and we have to give message here print table retain successful. Run it 12 given, run it 13 run it 14, run it 15. Now we have to come to the CSV file, table 1. We have to open, look here, 12, 13, 14, all the tables are written here. Is it clear? Okay, so we are going to see how to read the data from the CSV module. So here, I want to open again with open table.csv in the read mode. No need to use the as a new line file, and then we write here C a file data is equal to, we have to write here csv.reader. In that I have to write in the file, and then for I in the data, print I. All that code we have to write. Well, look here, it read all the data in the form of list as we have written. Understand? Okay. So this is a way to read the data from the file with open table.csv comma r as a file, and data is equal to, we have to create the object of reader, and when I will use I in the data, it may read all the data in the form of one by one. Otherwise, if you will print here, print data, so you may see all the data are written. Let me to put here 3 comment and run it. Look here, it given in the form of object that compiler not given full facilities to read it. So we have to do like that. So what we have to do, we have to read one by one in the form of for I in a data, and then we have to write here print I. So it may read one by one all the data from the object, and it may give you in the form of list. You can do it. So we are going to see how to delete the data from the file once again. So look here, I will share the screen. So open the IDLE. Go to the file, click on the new file, and then here import CSV. Okay, the search came here. So I think time is over. अच्छा time over हो गया मेरा. 5 minutes. Okay, and then I have to tomorrow we'll see better. Thank you.